A holiday at the bay. It was a sunny day in May. Sam and Faye went away to the bay. It was a long way to the bay. So they got on a red bus to take them away. The big red bus that went to the bay was not fast. On the way to the bay, the big red bus broke and had to stop and stay in the lane. "Okay," said Faye, "let's get our bikes and ride the rest of the way to the bay." "Okay," said Sam, "but I am not glad that I have to ride the way. It is May and my holiday." Sam and Faye got on their bikes and began to ride the way to the bay. On the way, Sam hit some hay. "Ouch," said Sam as he lay in the hay. Faye got off her bike and picked up Sam. "Let us pray and get back on the way." 2 miles, and they got to the sunny bay. "Yay!" said Sam and Faye as they got to the bay. "Let us play in the sand and clay." They played at the bay in the sand and clay for a long time. "We cannot stay," said Faye to Sam. "It is time, and we must get away."